What's up, y'all? My name's Ash with Busy Bee Lawn Care and Sprinkler Repair. We're here in Columbia, South Carolina. We specialize in irrigation repair, sprinkler repair for lawns, for gardens, whether it's irrigation repair or you got a leaking valve or you need a new control panel or you've got a leak in your backflow. That's what we do. You got a fiber optic cable company going through your front lawn and you got a broken pipe. That's what we do. If you got a green box that's it's full of water and you're not sure where the water came from, obviously it's coming from something inside the box and it has to do with the irrigation. That's what we do. You got a sprinkler head that your mailman keeps running over next to the mailbox and you need it to be moved in off of the path a little bit. That's what we do. You need to add a zone because you added some grass in your yard, or you took out some trees and you added some grass, and now you need to add a zone to water that. That's what we do. So give us a call, give us a buzz, 803-331-5323. Again, we're in Columbia, South Carolina, and we are the top sprinkler repair company in Columbia, and we only keep the best technicians on staff, and we give prompt service at a reasonable rate. We are professionally run, and we've been doing this for 20 years. We do not do patio pavers. We don't do trees. We don't do sod. We don't do drainage problems. We're specialists because we learned a long time ago what we like to do and what we do well. So give us a buzz, 803-331-5323, and put your trust in us this year. Thanks so much. Take care.